Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best stitch perfume on the market, the Mad Beauty Disney Stitch Denim Pearl Shower Gel. This isn't your ordinary shower gel. It's a delightful blend of fun, fragrance, and skincare. All wrapped up in a charming Disney-themed package that's perfect for fans of Stitch and anyone who loves a fresh, fruity scent. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you'll notice the unique denim-inspired design that gives this shower gel a cool, trendy vibe. It stands out in your bathroom not just as a body wash but as a statement piece. But what truly makes this product shine is the sensory experience it offers. The scent is a fresh and uplifting blueberry fragrance that invigorates your senses with every shower. It's sweet but not overpowering, making it suitable for teens, adults, and even kids who want to enjoy a little luxury in their daily routine. Imagine stepping into the shower and being greeted by that burst of fruity freshness that instantly wakes you up and puts you in a great mood. What sets this shower gel apart from many others is its skin conditioning pearls. These tiny pearls burst onto your skin during use, releasing conditioning ingredients that leave your skin feeling soft, smooth, and refreshed. It's more than just cleansing, it's a moisturizing treat that nourishes your skin while giving you a fun and playful bath time moment. The product weighs just over a pound and comes in a convenient size that's easy to handle. It's crafted by Mad Beauty, a brand with over 25 years of expertise in creating innovative and award-winning bath, body, and beauty products. They're serious about quality and fun, and that shines through in this Disney Stitch collection. Another important aspect is that Mad Beauty is 100% cruelty-free. None of their products are tested on animals, so you can feel good about using this shower gel knowing it aligns with ethical beauty standards. This shower gel isn't just for personal use. It makes a wonderful gift for any Disney or Stitch enthusiast. Whether it's a birthday, holiday, or just a thoughtful surprise, it adds a touch of magic and joy to anyone's skincare routine. In summary, the Mad Beauty Disney Stitch Denim Pearl Shower Gel combines a refreshing blueberry scent, skin-nourishing pearls, a trendy denim-inspired look, and cruelty-free ethics into one fabulous product. It's a fun and luxurious way to keep your skin clean, soft, and smelling amazing, all while celebrating one of Disney's most beloved characters. If you're looking for a unique and uplifting shower gel that stands out from the crowd, this might just be the perfect addition to your beauty shelf. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest and detailed product reviews.